What's up, guys? Welcome to another episode of Southern Slam Outdoors. It's been a little while since I uploaded, I think like 2 weeks or something, but it's just been kind of tough with school during the week, and then I also play golf, so that kind of takes up all my week time. And then the weekends, these past couple weekends, we just haven't had good weather down here, but today we have rain coming this afternoon, so we're gonna try and get some fishing in this morning. Fishing a couple ponds I've never fished before. I'm here with my friend Parker, and he's gonna be wearing the GoPro on his chest, and I'm gonna have this big camera going. We're just gonna get to fishing. It's a little overcast. Probably tie on like a spinnerbait or a chatterbait and see if we can catch a humdinger. So well, guys, my leader just completely broke off my rod, so I'm gonna go to how I do it. Alright, guys, so we were just fishing at this pond. We only were here for like, I don't know, 10 minutes. And security guard pulled up and said that we couldn't fish here. But she did say that there were some pretty big fish in this pond, which kind of makes me mad. What do you have to say, Parker? You got a few bites on that? In that?
I got a few bites, but
you think you'll be able to see them on the GoPro?
yeah, I know one fish came up right in front of the GoPro. I mean, I don't know if it got it or not. But
You saw the bass?
yeah.
Was it big?
I don't know, maybe like a 1 pounder, not too big.
Dang, that sucks. Alright, well.
Yeah, I got kicked out, so that sucks.
Next pond, though. It's a good pond, so.
Yep. Go get 'em, Tiger. How do you turn this thing off? Do not fish between the signs. Yeet.
Alright, guys, this is the first one. Probably about a pound and a half on the chatterbait. I've only been here about 5 minutes. I was like third cast, so it's a good sign.
There we go. Got something. The hell is that? Yeah, I got it. It's not a bass though. Hey, wait, don't these things like sting you? All right. Let's see, buddy. Where is this hook? There. I hooked you on the top of the mouth. There you go. There you go. Catfish. Nothing too special, but still something. All right. Yep. Better than nothing though. I'll take it. Let's keep fishing.
guys, there's another one on the pink trick worm. A little bit smaller than the one I caught earlier, but it's a good sign. That was like my second cast with that pink trick worm. So hang in there. Alright guys, it's another one on the trick worm. I think that's the biggest one I've caught today. Probably about 2 pounds. Good fish, fourth one, guys. Another little small one. Alright, let's get a release on him. Alright guys, that ends our day out here. We got some rain coming, so I better make this outro pretty quick. Pretty good day. First 2 ponds we went to weren't good. We didn't catch anything. We got kicked off of one. This day was just not looking good. And then we came to this pond, and I caught 4 bass, and Parker caught 1 catfish. And it's still awesome to be able to come out here. And if you like this video, leave a like, subscribe, and we're going out to West Texas in 2 weeks. We're going to be doing some turkey hunting and some bass fishing, so it should make for some pretty sweet videos. So if you like this one, like I said, leave a like, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys next time.